loves, it's Brianna. Welcome back to my channel. Today's video is going to be an extreme declutter with me. We're going to declutter like a mother in this video because yeah, that's the state of things around here. I have about 2 hours before I have to leave for my hair appointment. I'm so excited. This is like so overdue. I cannot wait to get it done. But I'm gonna cram as much decluttering as I possibly can into the next 2 hours, and I hope that this motivates and inspires you to get up, declutter with me. Let's make that space that you call home the nicest place possible. And if you like this video, click the thumbs up and click that red subscribe button if you're new here, and be sure to follow along on my other socials as well. Would love to have you be part of my cleaning queen team on here because we've got the best team ever. You should join it. But all right, let's go. You ready to declutter with me? In today's Declutter With Me video, we're getting started in my master bedroom. I was packing for a trip to Palm Springs the day that I was filming this, so I had clothes everywhere. And if you want to see our trip in real time, be sure to be following along on Instagram. But I had some clothes for the kids that I needed to wash before packing, so I was setting all of those to the side. Just wondering, do you do that? Do you wash clothes before you wear them, or do you just take the tags off and put them on? Let me know. Adam and I were talking about this and we're both curious. And I feel like on this day, our house was just a complete disaster and needed a lot of decluttering and straightening, and there was so much laundry to do. But I hope this gives you a ton of cleaning motivation and inspires you to declutter. If you have a huge mess, you can do this. I feel like doing this always is like working out. You never really want to get started, but once it's done, you feel amazing. And the more you get into a regular routine, it gets easier and more manageable, and you take so much pride in what you can do. And if you're dealing with any sort of stress or anxiety, I'm there with you. And when you feel like life is just a little bit out of control, I notice an instant fix is getting up off the couch, out of my chair, and start moving. Whether it's cleaning something, decluttering a room, organizing a space, or doing a KONMARI of a closet, it just helps me feel so much better because I feel productive. I feel like I did something good that helps my family, and I get up and moving and get my blood pumping. So I would highly encourage you to give it a try. And if you hear the kids in the background, sorry, I'm recording this portion while we are on vacation in Palm Springs. So Adam's giving them a bath after we were down at the pool just now. But if this decluttering video inspires you today, please share it with your friends, and make sure you check out some of my other videos if you ever need inspiration, whether you're doing a KONMARI of your closet, decluttering your home, cleaning, or even decorating your home. I try to do seasonal decor videos. The summer Decorate With Me video will be coming up soon because I always hope I can give you ideas and motivation so that your home is a better place for you and your family. That just makes life so much sweeter. And I'm curious, while you watch, what is your most satisfying thing to clean or declutter? Like, what do you look at afterwards and feel the most proud of when you're done? Let me know that in the comments. And I recently got built-ins for most of the closets in our home, so if you would like to see the before and after transformations, be sure to check out those extreme closet makeover videos next. It's seriously the best thing I ever did. I love my husband, but I promise you, he made that pile of clothes there despite there being a hamper. Love you, babe.
Don't wanna wake up, I might be dreaming.
Oh, that's easy.
I might be dreaming. You're stirring things up, my heart is beating. My heart is beating. I won't let go, I can't say no. My heart is yours, so I say here we go. You do that something to me, you do that something to my heart. I give up, you won't stop, I'm like a spinning top. You do that something to me, you do that something to my heart. I give up, you won't stop, and I keep spinning. You see right through me, do that to me, so let's do this, baby. You do that something to me, you do that something to my heart. I give up, you won't stop, I'm like a spinning top. Not used to do this, it ain't my style. It ain't my style. You see right through me, I don't wanna hide. No, I don't wanna.
When it comes to my office, it had gotten out of control because of my Etsy business. So one day I got rid of all of the cardboard boxes that everything was being stored in. I used some of the cube storage that had actually been in the closets before the built-ins to just organize the office better. but I want to do a true office KonMari, purge the paperwork, purge any supplies I don't need, and share how I organize everything as far as paperwork goes. So if you like that video idea, please let me know in the comments. I need you to hold me accountable on this to work on that video, so your comments will definitely help. And if you see my mouth moving, not crazy, I was actually on the phone with Amy Darley while I was decluttering. She is the sweetest, and you should make sure you're subscribed to her channel too. She does a lot of videos like me. We're going to be collabing soon as well, so be on the lookout for that collab. But I would just say, if you're cleaning or decluttering and you don't need to truly focus, it would be hard during a KonMari, but I think if you're just cleaning or decluttering, and again, it's a routine for you, it is so fun for me sometimes to call my girlfriends while I'm doing it just to catch up, and it kind of is multitasking and just also makes me feel really good connecting with a friend.
So I say here we go. You do that something to me, you do that something to my heart. I give up, you won't stop, I'm like a spinning top. You do that something to me, you do that something to my heart. I give up, you won't stop, and I keep spinning. You see right through me, do that to me. So let's do this, baby. You do that something to me, you do that something to my heart. I give up, you won't stop, I'm like a spinning top. Giving it up, giving it up, giving it up, giving it up, giving it up. Oh, I'm like a spinning top. Giving it up, giving it up, giving it up, spinning top. Giving it up, giving it up.
1, 2, 1, 2, 3. I've been feeling so small. Watch the clock ticking off the wall. But tonight I'm letting it go. Spend my coin for sure. I'm gonna be myself, or I could be someone else. No one's stopping me now. I'm gonna skip my breaks, I'm gonna make mistakes. I just wanna feel alive. It's just what I do when I'm out, so try not to hold me down. Feel alive when I'm in this town. Look at those beautiful stars, I wanna drive a faster car. Nothing can break me, no, no, nothing can break me. Try not to hold me down. Feel alive when I'm in this town. Look at the beautiful stars, I wanna take a trip to Mars. Nothing can break me, no, no, nothing can break me. Look at the beautiful stars, I wanna drive a faster car. Lay my troubles to rest, blow the smoke through my cigarette. City lights looking fine, and I know this is my time now. I'm gonna be myself, or I could be someone else. No one's stopping me now. I'm gonna skip my breaks, I'm gonna make mistakes. I just wanna feel alive. It's just what I do when I'm out, so try not to hold me down. Feel alive when I'm in this town. Look at those beautiful stars, I wanna drive a faster car. Nothing can break me, no, no, nothing can break me. Try not to hold me down. Feel alive when I'm in this town. Look at those beautiful stars, I wanna take a trip to Mars. Nothing can break me, no, no, nothing can break me. Look at the beautiful stars, I wanna drive a faster car.
And this vacuum is seriously the best. I always have it linked in my description box of my cleaning and decluttering videos in case you're interested. And it is an investment, but I've had subs for months and months who recommended this vacuum to me, and I'm so grateful I bit the bullet and did it. So thank you so much for the recommendation, and now I have to recommend it to all of you back. Thank you so much for being here and watching this video. I hope that you check out some of my other videos before you go, and let me know if you have a favorite video in the comments, because I always want your opinion and to just make more of the videos that you're interested in seeing that would help you. What is it that you're trying to do? What problems are you trying to solve? Let me know so that I can make videos that are going to be helpful and motivating to you. But I hope you got some cleaning motivation so that you can go and declutter your house or your room and just make it an amazing space to call home. I'll see you in my next video. Bye, loves.